Greetings from Merrill Woods, or across the street from it. I've got Kit Kat and Tip Tail here, and a plate of Felix's unwanted cat food. And so far the cats have not discovered it. See if Tip Tail. I don't know. Felix wouldn't eat this, and so far these guys are showing zero interest. I thought I saw Nippier here somewhere. Don't see him now. You come here. Where you going? Where you going? You see, what they're used to is on this clear piece of concrete here, and that, I guess, over there too, or maybe over there, I'm not sure. The ladies take dry food and make a circle, and the cats all get around the outside of the circle and on the inside and eat the dry food. And then if they have a can of cat food, they just put it on top of the dry food and it all goes away. I see Tip Tails getting rid of last night's dinner. Well, that's my experiment, is getting rid of Felix's unwanted meal. And so far, oh, well, all it took was a little bathroom break and maybe he'll eat it. Yes. And once he eats it, I think others will eat it. All right, I hope you're having a good day. Good morning. God bless.